Hello my dear children, how are you all? I hope you all very fine. Okay, today we are going to see chapter 7 from civics. So already we have seen the last two lessons in previous video. So with this lesson we'll finish civics. Okay, so what is the chapter we are going to learn today? Urban administration. Urban administration. So we are going to see about urban city administration, how they are managing, what is the work going on. So we are going to see all those in today's video. Okay children, so let's start. So first we will see about urban administration. Okay, so first, what is urban administration? How it is going on? Okay, so first, in cities, municipal corporation. Municipal corporation. Repeat along with me, my dear children. Municipal corporation that take care of street lights, garbage collection, waste collection, water supply, and keeps the street and market clean. So who will do all these works in the city? Municipal corporation. Municipal corporation. They take care of the street light, whether it is working or damaged, whether everything properly done, and garbage waste collection, cleaning all the things, and water supply and keeping the street and market clean. So everything is done by municipal corporation. Okay, they are also responsible for ensuring that disease do not break out in the city. That means they will ensure whether everything is clean and neat, whether any disease is spreading, dengue or any other disease it is spreading. They have to ensure whether everything is clean and neat and tidy. They are responsible for these. They also run schools, hospitals and dispensaries like small clinic or medical like, and makes gardens and maintain them. Okay, so they also run, what are the things they do? They care of schools, hospitals and dispensaries and makes all the garden and makes them clean and neat. Okay. Then next, in big city, if it is big city like Chennai, then that is called municipal corporation. If it is smaller town, then it is called municipal council. Okay children, so are you all clear with this slide? What is the first point? Municipal corporation takes care of street lights, waste collection, water supply and keeps the street and market clean. Then second, they are responsible for checking and ensuring whether any disease spreading or any problem there. Okay, then they also run school, hospital, dispensaries and makes gardens and maintain them. And last point, if it is big city, then it is called, that urban administration is called municipal corporation, or if it is a small town, then it is called municipal council. So have you understood the difference between municipal corporation and municipal council? Very good. So the next slide. So now it is about the ward councillor and administrative staff. Ward councillor and administrative staff. So decisions like where a park or new hospital have to be built, usually made by ward councillors, like that place is, that area divided into different wards. For each ward there will be a councillor elected. Elected means selected by the people by vote. City is divided into several wards, different wards. For each ward there will be councillors. So these councillors got elected. That means by voting, by election we will elect these ward councillors. They affect the entire city taken by group of councillors. So they form committee, with the meeting they will discuss and debate all the problems and they will fix. If any problem, they will clear that. Okay. So ward people, then they can contact the ward councillor and they can inform regarding the problems happening. So they will discuss and they will finally give a solution. And councillor committees and councillors decide on issues. Who will decide that? Who is the decision making? Councillor committee and councillor. Now who have to do that, implement that? Commissioner and administrative staff. Okay, commissioner and administrator, they have to work what the decision they are making, according to that they have to implement. So this commissioner and administrative staff, they are appointed by the government. This councillor are elected by the people. Understood, children? Very. So next, all ward councillors meet, make a budget, and the money is spent according to this. So all the ward councillors of that particular city, they meet, they discuss and make a budget where and for what they have to spend this much money and what are the good things they can do. Everything they will discuss. All the problems, everything they will discuss and finally bring out a solution. Ward councillors try to ensure the particular demands of their wards are placed before the entire council. So councillor, if any problem is there, they will meet the council, that ward councillor, I will tell, right? He have to express and discuss that problem and demand of the ward members in front of all the councillors, to the entire council, to all the councillors. Decisions are implemented by the administrative staff. So who will work? That means decision will be taken by the councillors, but that have to be implemented, done by administrative staffs. Work in the city is divided into different departments. Different departments are there. Like water department, they will be like supplying water, take care of water service. The garbage collection department, they will be collecting all the waste from all the place. A department to look after garden, the public gardens, everything, look after clean and neat and maintenance. Another to look after road, how the road is, what are the problems, any damage, that they have to look after. Then garbage lying all over the street, if uncollected, attracts dogs, rats and flies. People get ill from the smell. So if garbage is all over the street, if it is not collected by anyone, then what will happen? Dogs, rats, fly, everything will be on that waste, right? So because of that, the smell also people will get ill. So these garbage collectors, they will clean the road, all the waste and make it all the place clean. In recent times, the commissioner of several municipalities across the country had private contractors to collect and process garbage. So to collect and process garbage wastes, the commissioners have appointed private contractors, so that first government workers were working, now they have contracted, like private company contract. So that private company will send the people and they will work, and private company will be giving the salary for that workers, like paid less, and their job are like temporary. This collecting garbage, collecting waste, garbage is a dangerous job, you know, because when they collect, sometime maybe any glass pieces or any dangerous problem, and because of that they can get hurt, or any poisonous gas, and because of this any problems may be to that workers. So safety measures, they do not have safety measures and they do not take care if they are injured while working. So these everything have to be taken care. Okay, they have to provide safety measure. Okay, and municipal corporation was the one who suggested people have two dustbin at home, two dustbin. Okay, one is like one separate like waste vegetables and something, and another is like plastic, some kind of waste. Okay, so like renewable and non-renewable. So like these they have to have two kind of dustbins at their home. Okay children, so have you understood? Okay children, so that's all for today's video. So today we have seen about urban administration. So under that we have seen about what is urban administration. It's called municipal corporation. So in big city it is called as municipal corporation, and in small town it is called as municipal council. Then we have seen like that entire city is divided into different wards. For each ward we will elect a councillor. We elect by using oath election, we will elect councillor. Then after that they used to make the decisions. They make decisions, and who have to implement? Commissioners and administrative staff. They are appointed by the government. They have to take care of all the city, that means the particular city they were working. Okay, each city they will have corporation, right? So they have to work under the area. So they have to make ensure whether all the markets are clean and tidy, and hospitals, then all the schools, particular schools, and water supply. So they have to take care of all these things. And so that's all in today's video. So if you have any doubt, just see this video once again and take all the important points. Usually and every time you will have this habit, right? Whenever you listen in class, you will take down important points. So that will be very good and easy for learning next time. So thank you children. Have a nice day.